Are you craving an In-N-Out animal-style burger, but you're nowhere near the West Coast? No worries, I've got you covered. Today I'm showing you how to make this iconic, juicy, flavor-packed burger right at home. We're talking juicy smash burgers, gooey melted cheese, caramelized onions, and that legendary secret sauce, all stacked to perfection. Hi, I'm Tara the Foodie, and I take the mystery out of cooking for you. And I promise it'll satisfy your fast food cravings without ever leaving the kitchen. Now let's get cooking. I had the In-N-Out double cheeseburger in California sometime in 2017. I still haven't forgotten how good it is. When you order a fast food burger, many times you don't quite get what you see on TV in the commercials, right? At In-N-Out, you actually do. It's so beautiful when it comes out. I'm gonna post a picture here that will show you what my burger actually looked like when I got it. And it looks great. It's so delicious. And when you get their burgers, what they call animal style, they add caramelized onions, this special sauce that's much like the Big Mac sauce from McDonald's. It's cheesy, the burgers are the smash burgers, and you know, it's a beautiful looking cheeseburger. I wish we had In-N-Out on the East Coast, but sadly we don't. So those of us that don't, we've got to make it in our own kitchens. So the first thing that you need to do to make animal style In-N-Out burgers is make those caramelized onions. So to caramelize onions, get yourself a nice big pan, cast iron pan if you have it. This one, again, I've said it before, it's glorious because it's so big. If you want to grab one for yourself, I'll go ahead and link it here now. It's a Lodge. It's like 13.5 or so inches.
13.25.
13.25. Perfect to caramelize onions. You just want a nice hot pan that will hold the heat evenly for you. So the first thing that you want to do is add some olive oil to the pan. And then I have a large onion chopped. I'm going to add this to the pan. And now you just want to go ahead and stir these onions up so that they're all coated with the olive oil. You want to go ahead and make sure that you arrange them in a single layer in your pan. And you've got your heat to medium low. You want these onions to cook slow. Eventually, they will brown for you. Cook them for a few minutes and then stir them. Arrange them in an even layer again. Let them cook for a few more minutes and keep repeating that process until the onions are brown. Now, while that is happening, let's go ahead over to the counter and I'll show you how to make In-N-Out's animal style burger secret sauce. So to make the In-N-Out animal style special sauce, all you need is 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is mayonnaise, my favorite. You want to start with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and you want to use real mayonnaise, not anything sweet. Then you want to grab your ketchup. Ketchup is a little bit sweet, so that's going to give the sweetness to this sauce. You're going to squeeze in 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And then you want to grab some dill relish. You can get the sweet relish if you like it extra sweet, or just the dill pickle relish. And you want to squeeze in 2 teaspoons of dill pickle relish. And then stir it up. All right, I'm going to give it another stir. Let them fry a little bit more, stir them, and you'll see they just keep getting more brown, keep getting more brown. And you want to have the patience and wait until they are all the way caramelized so that you get that beautiful, slow-cooked, caramelized sweet flavor that makes the In-N-Out animal style burger so famous. All right, so our onions are almost done. While they're finishing, we can go ahead and get our burgers ready. So I went ahead and ground the meat myself and formed about 4 ounces of ground beef into 4 balls. We're making 2 double In-N-Out animal style burgers. Just go ahead and take your burger balls and you want to season the outside of them with salt and pepper. To grind my own meat, of course, I use my KitchenAid mixer, aka the Red Rocker, and then I attach the meat grinder attachment. I'm telling you what, I probably use that once a week. It's better to grind your own meat. You know that the meat that you're eating is coming from one animal, not, I don't even know how many. So if you'd like to grab one for yourself, I'll go ahead and link that here now. It's time to stir those onions again. So while we're waiting for the caramelized onions to finish, I have a question for you. Are you subscribed to this channel yet? Because I like to recreate fun recipes like the In-N-Out animal style burger. I've also recreated the McDonald's Filet-O-Fish, and that turned out just absolutely wonderful, so delicious. Also the Pizza Hut pan pizza, the Mr. Hero Roman burger, and I'm not stopping there. This is so much fun recreating all of my favorites from different fast food places and all of your favorites too. So keep sending me your requests and we'll keep having fun in the kitchen. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so that you never miss one of my copycat recipe videos. So our onions are caramelized, they're looking great. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these onions from the pan, and then we're gonna smash our burger balls right into this same pan that's already seasoned up with this delicious onion flavor. So for this step, I'm kind of excited. I'm really excited because I get to use a new toy I just picked up today. It's my Lodge burger press. And this has kind of like a little bit of an indentation. It's gonna smash down your burger, but it's still going to allow it to be, how thick do you think this would be? Like 1/4 inch?
3/8.
3/8 of an inch. You know Juicy Joe, he knows his measurements. I'm gonna go ahead, this is seasoned already, but I'm gonna give it a little spray of oil, because what can it hurt, right? And just spray it with some oil. So turn your heat on high. You wanna make sure that your pan is screaming hot to the point that the oil even starts to maybe smoke a little bit. That means that your pan is ready for the smash burgers, and that will allow you to get that nice crust on both sides of your burgers, keeping the juices locked in, and you get that nice charred texture on the outside. So our pan is nice and hot, and you wanna take your burger balls that you've got nice and seasoned. You wanna put this into your pan, seasoned part down, and then go ahead and smash it down with your burger press. Oh yeah, look at that. That's awesome. That was really fun. I know, that doesn't take much. Okay, I'm gonna take another one. That was super fun. So I'm just gonna do 2 at a time. Season side down, and then smash it down.
And you must dance.
You must dance.
You must do the smash dance.
All right. I think it does a good job. Once you have smashed your burgers down, you want to go ahead and season the other side of your burger. But wait, not just salt and pepper on this side. On this side of the burger, you want to squeeze on some yellow mustard. Yeah, this is a little bit of a trick that In-N-Out uses on their burgers to make them just more flavorful, more tangy. Squeeze on some mustard, and then just kind of spread it all over your burger as the fat just jumping off the burger just burns your skin. I feel like they're ready, so I'm gonna flip it over. Oh yeah. Oh, look at the color. Now at this point, you may be tempted to take your spatula and smash down. That is the absolute wrong thing to do, because now your burgers are holding in those juices. If you smash them down now, you're going to smash all of the juices out of your burger, resulting in a dry burger. Now it's just about time to remove these from the pan, so this is the time to go ahead and add a slice of American cheese on each patty. And then go ahead and remove them from the pan. I'll repeat that process with the last 2 burgers, and then it's time to toast our buns. So to toast our buns, we want to go ahead and add just a little bit of butter to our pan that we've removed the hamburger fat from. We've got our burger buns, and we're just going to go ahead and place them down into the butter. Get a little butter on all of them, and let those toast until they are golden brown. And now is the moment of truth when we assemble this burger and make it the In-N-Out double animal style burger that some of us that have had them know and love. On your bottom bun, you want to go ahead and put some of your special sauce. Next, you want to put 4 pickle slices on the bottom bun. And this is great because then you get pickle in every bite. Actually, these are so big, I'm just going to put 3. The next step is to layer 2 beautiful slices of tomato onto the bottom bun. Next, In-N-Out Burger uses iceberg lettuce on their burgers. It's not my favorite choice, but it's what they use. So you want to kind of take just a hunk of it and place it, kind of tuck it under so that it fits onto your bun. Next, you want to grab your first cheesed up burger patty and place it on top of the lettuce. Now grab your caramelized onions. And as you can see, I've been a little anal here. Now I know how much to put on each burger. So go ahead and pile on your onions. Now I'm gonna take my second burger patty, all cheesy and delicious, and I'm gonna go ahead and place that down onto that burger and add my next portion of caramelized onions onto that burger. Good Lord, you see what's happening here? You want as many caramelized onions as possible. They're so delicious and they make this burger. Let's put a little bit more sauce on the top bun as well, because it's a saucy, sloppy burger. And then place the top bun on top of your delicious In-N-Out animal style burger.
You created an art piece there.
Oh God. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, that's right.
Should we give it a squeeze? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. That is a gigantic, delicious looking, amazingly sloppy In-N-Out double animal style burger. Oh, I am proud of this. I'm proud of this. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to eat this.
Since you got wrapped up holding that delicious In-N-Out burger there, I took the added time to make it official and wrap this one up for you, babe. Look at that.
Oh, now if you've had an In-N-Out burger of any sort, you know that this is how they come. They'll be laying in the little basket, all wrapped up, just ready for you to grab it and just shove it into your face. And this is my In-N-Out double animal style burger.
That's a thick one, baby.
You gotta get the elbows up, you know. Oh, and by the way, it is my favorite time of every episode, time to taste. Oh, and I am so freaking excited to taste this burger that I haven't tasted in so many years. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm gonna smash it down so that it just starts to, I think I just went somewhere else for a second there. I don't know if you can tell how juicy this burger is, but it's like that because it's made with that smash burger style, cooked on a super hot surface, locking in those juices, and it just falls apart when you take a bite. It is so delicious. But before I go on, it's time for the flavor breakdown. Oh, hold on, I gotta take another bite before I tell you. Right off the bat, it's super cheesy, it's saucy, it's seasoned so well with the salt and the pepper. Never be afraid to season your burgers. It will make or break your burger. It's so delicious. It just, like I said, it just melts in your mouth. And then you've got the coolness of the lettuce and the tomato and the pickle all on this buttered, toasted bun. Oh, it is amazing. This tastes just like I remember from In-N-Out Burger when I had it years ago. If you can't get your hands on an In-N-Out Burger, or if you just want to make this in your own kitchen instead of going out and buying it there, you have to make this. It's so worth it, and it's fun. It's so fun to recreate foods that you love from popular restaurants, popular fast food places, in your own kitchen, and then you just, I don't know, you feel a little bit like a superhero, like you could just do anything. I'm Tara the Foodie, taking the mystery out of cooking for you, and I will see you next time. You think you can handle it?
I mean, this is my fist. I've not huge hands, but this is just to give you a size comparison, side by side.
Oh my God. Wow, you really did get all that in your mouth. It is a messy burger. I think I know why they put it in this now.
That makes sense. Oh. This is going to turn into a disaster.
I know.
If you are any kind of a burger person, this is a must-try recipe. Make it today, and thank you for watching. I'm Juicy Joe.
And I'm Tara the Foodie.
And we'll see you next time.